Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Let us see question number 31 of chapter Biomolecules. The linkage between glucose units in amylopectin branches is, linkage between glucose units in amylopectin. This amylopectin is component of starch. Starch consists of two components, amylose and amylopectin. This amylopectin is water insoluble and contains 80 to 85% of starch. Here, see, glucose units in amylopectin branches. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಲೈಕೋಸೈಡಿಕ್ ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಆಲ್ಫಾ 1 2 3. This is the structure of glucose units. They are bonded together to form amylopectin. This is structure of amylopectin. See here, this is glycosidic linkage. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Fine. This 4 and 1. 1 4 bond is glycosidic bond, which is in chain, but in branch. See, this is 6 carbon atom and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Branching between, yes, 1 and 6. Option C, alpha 1 and 6 is correct. Alpha 1 and 6. Option A, alpha 1 and 2 wrong. Option B, alpha 1 and 1 4. Alpha 1 4 ಯಾವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Straight chain ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, not in branch. Glycosidic linkage ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Option B is wrong. Option D, beta 1 4 wrong. Correct option is alpha 1. Thank you.